Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the system UI error on Samsung phones in a simple and effective way. If your phone is showing system UI isn't responding or crashing again and again, don't worry, this is a common issue and can be fixed easily. So make sure to watch till the end and follow all the steps carefully. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Once you're inside the settings, use the search bar at the top and type Software Update. Tap on it and check whether your phone is updated to the latest version or not. Sometimes this issue occurs due to bugs in older versions, and updating your software can fix the problem instantly. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Now, if the issue is still not fixed, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and find the apps option, then tap on it. Here, you will see a list of all installed applications. Now, tap on the search icon and type Settings to find the Settings app. Once you open the Settings app from the list, tap on Storage. Here, you will see options related to app data. Now tap on Clear Data. This step will reset the app's data and can help fix any glitches causing the system UI error. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal files, but it may reset some system preferences. After clearing the data, restart your phone and check if the issue is resolved. In most cases, this method works and your phone starts running smoothly again. And that's it. That's how you can fix the system UI error on your Samsung device easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.